The secret weapon for getting into top universities, AI. Welcome to the Future of College Admissions series part 1. And don't make the biggest mistake of skipping this video. So let's deep dive into it. In this video, we will learn about using chatbots, OpenAI and language models such as chatgpt 3 in the college applications. I know most of the students currently using it in their applications, but in the wrong way. Honestly, this is the first video on the internet on the topic that is actually teaching the students how to use it in the right way and enhance their applications and stand out from the crowd. Now, if you are not familiar with chatgpt 3, it's a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text, and it can use in many things like chatbot, making content, translating languages, and possibilities are endless for doing what you can. But is it a good idea to use GPT-3 or other chatbots in the college applications, particularly if you are aiming to get into top universities like MIT, Harvard, Stanford? In this video, we will learn about all pros and cons and provide a best way to increase your acceptance into the top universities. I am not suggesting to use AI in your whole application. It is important to note that using AI can only be accepted in certain situations, such as making your story more interesting or to shorten a long one. Or you can also use for suggestions and paraphrasing. You won't believe, but while reviewing some of my students' essays, I noticed that they are using GPT. But I was not sure, so I asked them and they surprised me. They actually use GPT in their applications and essays, and they're surprised that I knew it. I think it's my experience and practice in analyzing real and fake and AI written essays helped me to identify. So if you understand that secrets and how I identify, then it will give you an idea and you can use AI without getting caught. First, you can check your AI generated essay or response on some AI detectors such as GPT Detective, Deep AI Text Detection, and my favorite writer. So let's understand with an example. Assume that I am a student who is applying into top universities and I don't have a time. I just have a one day to apply. So I think I have to use ChatGPT to complete my whole application in a fast way. So I have to answer this question. So I copy it and paste it into the ChatGPT, okay? And all I have to add some instructions. So I such as it's a common app question. Yale University is my dream college or school I always want to get into. So please can you write an attractive answer and enter. Now AI is generating the answer, which is quite impressive. So copy it and run it through the AI detector. Only 38% human generated content. Brilliant. So then make some changes and add more instructions like I inspired by Urjit Patel, a Yale alumni and was the Reserve Bank of India's 24th governor. Yale is one of the Ivy League schools and they provide generous scholarships, and please make it real and enter. And AI is producing. Okay, impressive. Now after adding something personalized, then check again, and there you have it. 97% human generated content. We can also make it more real by removing something, okay? And there you have it. Okay, changing 99% human generated content. That it depends on your creativity, okay? There is no AI detector is available who is beat human mind, okay? So you can use your creativity or human mind to beat these AI detectors. But when I find my students' essays, I didn't use any AI detector to verify. I used some simple techniques and you can also consider them. First, check for mistakes. AI generated essays may include some flaws, contradictions, factual inaccuracies, odd language, and some simple tone style that can reveal that it is written by AI. Personalization is another indicator. AI may not include writers' experiences, interests, ambitions, and it may be general or lack relevant. So try to add your interest, your experiences, or something personal in your instructions in ChatGPT. You can also check plagiarism. If it is written by AI, then there are many chances for plagiarism. So to validate your essay, please check plagiarism. Finally, check for patterns. AI may use repetitive wording. These include repetitive phrases and structures or utilizing similar words or phrases together. The whole conclusion. If you are aiming to get into top universities like MIT, Harvard, Stanford, it is especially important to put in the time and effort to craft a personalized and strong application. And these universities are known for their tough application process, and they want applicants who are and to be very good, genuine and real. The most important thing is to write a thoughtful and well written essay that will show your real character, passion, interest and goals. And only use GPT in emergency and only when you are stuck or confused in someone. And if you are thinking that I don't have an option, so just use GPT, but recheck everything. And I strongly suggest you to invest your time on writing your own essays, because you have to show yourself, not someone else. Okay, so try to be honest and write your application process with full of energy and honesty. Bonus tips: start as soon as possible and craft your whole application. Invest time on understanding application process and also invest time on essay editing and writing. Get good LORs, score well in SAT and SAT, and also reach out some free resources like Cross the Sky Limits community, where you find many free resources. And also you can, if you are thinking that I have to use ChatGPT, then you can just remember my all points. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon. And in the last, see you tomorrow.